Stop wasting your time, unlock your true potential. Each morning offers a fresh chance to maximize your day. However, how frequently do we fall victim to time-wasting behaviors? Let's discuss how to quit wasting time and begin enjoying life to the fullest now. Even though each day has 24 hours, why do some people seem to do so much more than others? Our utilization of time holds the key to the solution. Let's examine some typical time-wasting behaviors and how to break them. Finding the typical time-wasting activities in our life is the first step towards solving this problem. Think back for a minute on your daily routine and identify the pursuits that don't advance your career or personal development. The pitfall of social media. Among the worst offenders when it comes to time wastage is social media. An unending scan through articles, images, and videos can easily lead to disorientation. Hours can go by before you realize it and you haven't achieved anything significant. Establish time restrictions on your use of social media in order to escape this mistake. Make use of programs that track and manage your screen time. In substitute of aimless browsing, engage in activities that advance your objectives and general well-being. Excessive social media scrolling, viewing incessant YouTube videos, aimless online browsing, gossiping or idle chit-chat, and spending excessive amounts of time on useless hobbies or amusement are some examples of frequent time-wasting behaviors. Procrastination, the silent thief. The quiet robber. Another stealthy thief of time is procrastination. Important jobs are frequently put off because we tell ourselves we'll finish them later. However, later frequently becomes never. Divide work into smaller, more doable steps to help you fight procrastination. Establish precise due dates and keep yourself responsible. Never forget that taking even a tiny step is what matters most. The myth of multitasking. A lot of individuals think that multitasking is a productive technique to complete tasks. Studies have revealed that it might, in fact, worsen stress levels and lower productivity. Practice single tasking instead of multitasking. Give each activity your whole attention, concentrate on it, and finish it before moving on to the next. This will raise the caliber of your job and increase your efficiency. The power of prioritization. Not every assignment is made equally. Certain tasks are more critical and pressing than others. Making the most of your time requires that you learn how to prioritize. Employ instruments such as the Eisenhower matrix to arrange tasks according to their significance and immediacy. Concentrate on the important things, assign or get rid of the rest. The importance of saying no. We frequently accept invitations out of duty or a fear of being left out. However, overcommitting can result in time wastage and exhaustion. Get the ability to turn down assignments and obligations that conflict with your objectives. Prioritizing the things that really important with your time and energy is acceptable. The significance of self-care and rest. Self-care and rest are vital yet frequently disregarded for increased productivity. It's true that taking care of your health and well-being may improve productivity and creativity. Plan frequent downtime and rejuvenating activities. This will assist you in keeping a balanced life and avoiding burnout. The mindfulness's power.